These are your Vermont fairies?
Yeah, Vermont fairies. These are Vermont fairies.
Oh, just what you asked for Christmas, isn't it? It's just what you wanted.
Say thanks, Santa. Can we open them? Oh, there's another one, huh?
Who thinks this one is? Tank?
Maybe Tink, maybe Vidya?
I think they don't make them videos.
Oh, they don't make. How'd you know?
Tinky.
Is that a different dress? Or do you have her already?
I don't have it right now. I don't have a big tank.
Oh, you don't.
I don't have a little tank.